Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to update all your Windows 10 or 11 drivers easily without installing any software. So further ado, let's get started. But firstly, go to the search bar and type here for system information. Then open up this app. It will show every details of our computer. As we can see, our manufacturer model is Gigabyte Technology, which is our motherboard, and our system model is B660M. Now what we have to do is click on the system model and press Ctrl plus C to copy this, and now close this from here. Open any of your browser and paste it here and click on the enter option. Now what it will do, you can see the Gigabyte motherboard official website here and our mentioned motherboard model. If we click on the support link from here, it will redirect us to the support for our motherboard. Here we can see all the available drivers are here for our computer. As we can see, the audio drivers as Realtek SD audio driver, chipset drivers, even the LAN drivers which we install to use our Wi-Fi network directly from our motherboard, and we can see the Intel graphics driver is also here. So let's test this. So I'm going to select my operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, and I'm going to refresh it one time from here. Now download any of this driver. So I'm going to download this Bluetooth driver from here. If we click on this download option, then you will see it will ask where it to download. Now click on save, and you can see our driver is already downloaded. Now click on the show in folder option. Now extract this file from here. Right click on your mouse and run this as administrator. Now you can see the Gigabyte driver installer, which is installing the Intel Bluetooth driver on our computer. Now click on the this program installed correctly, and our Bluetooth driver is working perfectly. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next video.